Hey, it's me, Seth Perler. In this video, I'm going to tell you about me. Most of you probably already know me, but for those of you who are new to me, I call myself an executive function nerd, but I am an executive function expert, so to speak. I am somebody who is obsessed with how do we help kids who struggle with executive function, who often fall through the cracks and are often very misunderstood. How do we support these kids so that they don't fall through the cracks? How do we help them to get the skills that they need, not just for school, but also for life? Because executive function skills are the skills that we need to create a successful life. These are the skills that help us to plan and manage and organize things and to prioritize and all of the things that we need to do adulting and to have a great life. So I hear from parents that I just want my kid to be happy and successful. I want them to be happy, healthy, and successful. Some iteration of that comment. And I think that's what we all want for kids. And it really drives me nuts to see kids fall through the cracks and struggle and suffer. And this is no joke. So I take this very seriously. So I wear a lot of hats in the executive function world, in the neurodiversity and autism and ADHD worlds, and the education, the parenting worlds. I wear a lot of hats in terms of coaching, speaking, presenting, workshops, courses, and all sorts of things, anything and everything that I can do in this blip of a lifetime that I have to serve in this capacity. So that is who I am. My main site is sethperler.com. And then I have the Executive Function Summit website because I have a summit every year. And I have a YouTube channel and I'm on a bunch of podcasts and stuff like that. Like I said, I wear a lot of hats. So that is a bit about who I am. And I'm really glad you're here because it means that you really are taking time to really learn how to support your kid. And that means a lot to me. So thank you. And I want to wish you peace and joy and connection with your kiddo. Take care.